I didn't realize the damage I had been doing to myself until I came to the Red Project and found out about the Clean Works program. I am a mother of 2 boys, and my youngest was born addicted. I was on heroin and didn't know who to go to for help. I was embarrassed and ashamed. Access to the Safe Syringe program has almost probably saved my life, to be honest with you, because before, in Muskegon, it got to the point where you couldn't even go and purchase syringes unless you were a diabetic and you had, a prescription.
So right now, it's a huge problem that people are not getting the supplies they need, and reusing a syringe, is dangerous in a lot of ways. Obviously, HIV or Hep C is, common to be able to contract, but also abscesses and skin infections, things like that will happen. And so that, a lot of that can be avoided just by using clean gear.
If I would have had clean needles in the beginning, I wouldn't have Hep C right now. A lot of my life would be different if the users union was going back then. Stuff needs to change. People are people, users are humans too,
It's just been really nice to know that there's a place that you can go to get all of your supplies and there's no questions asked, because if it weren't for them, I don't know if I'd even still have any veins left in my body that somebody, to go to the doctor and at least have my blood drawn. So I've just gotten a lot of information from them on the right way to get them and use them, but also dispose of them. And that's what's been really nice too, is that, I want everybody to know about that, because then maybe we won't find them in people's parks or on the side of the road. And unfortunately, kids getting into them or seeing them.
Being their aunt is my favorite thing in the world. If Narcan hadn't been available, if someone hadn't been there, I never would have met my nephews and niece.
I think Narcan should be available anywhere.
I've experienced overdose myself, and I was really thankful that Narcan was there and that I was able to be revived. And everybody should have access to that nobody should lose their life over being an addict that overdoses.
It gives you another chance. And I think when you come out of that, you need to evaluate, reevaluate your life.
Michigan Users Union has really been a lifesaver for me, especially since COVID hit. Nobody's judging there. You can speak open and freely, and it doesn't matter just because it's a users union that you have to be an active user, that you're welcomed at anywhere you're at in your addiction or recovery. I'm ready to get back on track and stop feeling like I don't have any worth, and that maybe all this happened for a reason.